Hey there and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Best Day Ever by Mac Miller. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are E minor, D major, and C major. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is E minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the first string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, and then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Our next chord is going to be D major. To play that, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then take your 4th finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. This is D major. And our last chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this song. It's just going to be E minor for 8 beats, D major for 8 beats, and C major for 16 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this song. It's just going to be down, up, tap, up, down, up. Let's play that strumming pattern now on the E minor chord. Down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up. And now let's play that strumming pattern with the chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now that we know our chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Best Day Ever. I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off, rock like Aesop, grind the weekend take off, sky high, now I see what dreams are made of, now I got these rappers all breaking up a sweat, cause every time I get up on the mic it come correct, and I learned it from the best, always dressed in something fresh, looking every single time to get it off my chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock, yes, but now I'm rocking clothes that ain't in the stores yet. Travel back in time, I'm in a vortex, trying to make it work out, think I need more reps. Used to take a bus, now the boy boards jets, cause kids got me buzzing like a hornet. They say I got next, tell them that I got now. It's all Disney, boy, my family proud. Make them say ow, make them say oh. The ones that tell me yes, the same ones that tell you no. Whoa, I ain't just an average Joe, way above the average flow. Boy, my life is most dope. No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile, pursuit to be happy, only laughing like a child. I never thought life would be this sweet. It got me cheesing from cheek to cheek, yeah. I ain't gonna wait for nothing, cause that just ain't my style. Life couldn't get better, it's gonna be the best day ever. Now if you want to play through the rest of that song, then go down in my description box below and click on the link to access the chord chart. And that's how you play Best Day Ever by Mac Miller. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and as always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.